Metong karang advocacy ang susulong na ng Pampanga Chamber of Commerce and Industry Incorporated o PAMCHAM in countryside development.
PAMCHAM started 20 years ago. It actually started as the San Fernando Chamber of Commerce, and then during the Pinatubo, after Pinatubo, Migivolvia into Pampanga Chamber of Commerce and Industry to cover the whole Pampanga.
Tinipuno ka nung mga obiel levy pilaos kanita rin negosyante kete Pampanga bang misaw-saw talakad kay ba't ning pamamakbong ning Pinatubo.
Mr. Levi Laos during that time gathered some of the businessmen in Pampanga, select among themselves the charter officers of the chamber, and that started the organization of PAMCHAM.
They had this vision na i-rebuild tayo in Pampanga. So all of the 15 and the 150 members, na initial members na rin businessmen, had one vision and had one mission to rehabilitate Pampanga. And so it came from there for the so many years, siguro mga 7 years, they were true to their word. Detang actions da rin, advocacies da, pupuntahan langan ka rin. And because of that, in community na ning Pampanga, ikit de na in Chamber of Commerce, gagawa na yung dapat gawan. And unite na langan din. And when they became united, medagul na yung medagul. And for now, we cannot just say na rin members me are the big businesses. No longer. Kasi at yun na kami karetang middle businesses and also the micro. The small and the micro, i-invite me nila so that ining-abuild na ng reputation na ng PAMCHAM and the members ng mga ragul, they can help naman rening mga lati.
At ngayon October 3, metong a Thanksgiving Mass ing midawon kang St. Therese Chapel, King Levi P. Laos Corporate Center syudad ng San Fernando, ang timong kapag masosyon kang 20th founding anniversary ng PAMCHAM.
And as Father said kanina, let us not think of growing old, but think of growing up. And that for today's message in his Mass, that God is with us, and so we are so grateful. And then sabi nga niya, if we put God at the center of our organization, our service becomes authentic.
Agpang kang PAMCHAM Chairman Jesnick daw, may nagumpeya ang karalang organisasyon kilubling adwang dekada, pauli na ng involvement na rin miyembro kang miyayalawang pisasabihan kang balin.
Well, I think ang nakapagtagal ng 20 years, yung involvement ng PAMCHAM, hindi lang sa mga negosyo, kundi pati sa iba't ibang problema ng probinsya natin. Hindi lang sa probinsya, kundi maging sa buong Region 3.
Marugol neman kapasalamatan ng presidente na ng PAMCHAM Iteri David Carlos, karing-karelang may gitaan na maralan na miyembro.
People are really having the 3 T's, what we call time, talent, and treasures. They have been passionately devoted to PAMCHAM. For that, we are so grateful. Siguro, whatever PAMCHAM has done, that's why we get the support of many people. Kung ano man yun na itutulong sa countryside, talagang we are so forever grateful. And as far
Nasa na kanong PAMCHAM Director Rene Romero, ay emitok ng impaman na sensuda rin negosyante kete Pampanga, bang mas dakala pa atin ng obra.
Ang dami kong nakikita ngayon mga bagong negosyo, mga bagong negosyante. Nakikita ko napaka-passionate nila. Sana tuloy-tuloy ito because the more negosyante sa ating lugar, the better. Kasi kapag maraming negosyante, isipin mo na lang, bawat negosyante mag-employ siya ng tig sa 10. At kung meron tayong 1,000 negosyante, that's 10,000 jobs. Eh, talagang kailangan natin ngayon dito sa ating bansa, hindi lang sa ating bansa, dito sa ating lugar, jobs, trabaho, para makaahon ang mga kababayan natin sa kahirapan.
Manuwala naman ng Executive Director na ng PAMCHAM ay Joyce Doldolao as sabi dapat i-progreso na rin negosyante at ning balin.
Nasasabihan natin Sir LP, alam po, Mr. Rene Romero, these are the 2 people talaga na kay ni Mr. Romero sabi na, paragol may negosyo mo, pero nung may lalawin ng community around you, nung mag-grow at mag-prosper in community, Pampanga in this particular case, kadagol. So maybe mag-start kang business, of course, the intention or the objective is for you to grow. But eventually po, tanga-tuning footing mo ka rin, look at the community around you because it's a community around you that will help you grow even more.
Samantala, amo yutano ng PAMCHAM ng businessmen at young entrepreneurs ang makiyabi at makiksanmetong king layo ng organisasyon.
Sa mga young entrepreneurs, sana sumali kayo sa PAMCHAM. It is worth joining PAMCHAM. Hindi mo mahirap ang maging miyembro ng PAMCHAM. Hindi po magastos. Yun ang sinasabi namin sa inyo. At nakakasiguro kami na ang pagsali nyo sa PAMCHAM ay makakatulong na malaki sa negosyo nyo, sa pagpapaunlad ng negosyo nyo.
Gusto nila mag-join ng Pampanga Chamber, no? They just need to send us a message. They can actually send us a message sa Facebook page ng Pampanga Chamber of Commerce. Basically, ang inihikayat natin na mag-join sa Pampanga Chamber are actually businesses who are really looking for a business chamber, no, na tutulong sa kanila at susuporta sa kanila para lalo pang mapalakas at mapaganda rin ang kanilang negosyo.
Ako, Inke kayong talasuyo. Liana Canilaw, ating pusong makabalin.